Well, I think the reason Hamlet is still popular today is how exciting the development of the main character Hamlet, and he's really like the real figure in the modern world because his reaction to the change of his life seems authentic and even is similar to the people in the modern society. I really agree with like mentioned in the video if we regard Hamlet as a female, if we consider the voice of females, it's absolutely true that the play lets us think about the women who are suffering from the social and family pressure. They are tortured by patriarchy and do not dare to speak themselves bravely, and struggling with the extremes of depression, anxiety, and grief. And just like the figure of Hamlet in the play, so it really deserves us to think about the women issues. And meanwhile, not only for females, I think, but also for all people in society, we all might be Hamlet someday in suffering from the contradiction between forgiveness, love, and revenge. And here is a case that someone was abandoned by her family when she was a kid. And after a child who had no adult to care about her, she was often bullied by her peers. And however, when she grows older and becomes a celebrity in society, she decided to do charity. And she said no one loved her anymore, so she wants to love others. So for this female, she also suffered a lot, but she changed the hatred to love in the end. So it's hard to say whether the revenge is good or bad. It would be a kind of, I think it's kind of choice for everyone when we meet a similar situation someday. And also, I think Hamlet's revenge can be regarded as a revolt against authority, and to escape from or to fight against authority is a kind of choice that Hamlet has to decide. And the power of authority is too strong to be suppressed by ordinary people who are kept under close surveillance. But Hamlet has courage to do what he thinks worth doing, and his fighting spirit against the powerful is worth our thinking about. And also, I think many people nowadays also do similar things, like submitting the real name report letters. So above are my three stories. They are in different directions, and also that's the reason I start to love Hamlet or Shakespeare, because the stories are so open to interpretation.